question is, can we go with a small example product case study or scenario on GTM just to visualize how this works? So when you mean by what you mean by a small example product case study, I'm assuming, Pavan, is like I mentioned in my last but one slide, right? It's very important that you test the entire business model, especially in a B2B scenario where you're launching the product in the market itself, because if you're talking about a sales-led growth model, you exactly need to know what marketing channels you're going to use, how are your sales teams going to be trained, and how will your sales teams actually go about pitching this particular product, what is the price the customer will pay for it. So the pillars that you're going to launch remains the same, just that the scale of the launch will become much smaller, which will help you test it out, if that's what you meant by a small example.